WomanlyWealthAcademy.com with Louise Ann Maurice. Have you ever used a fly swatter, right? You take your family, you're having this wonderful picnic, everything's going great, sun is shining, it's beautiful, and flies are swarming all over your food, right? You take that fly swatter and you just sort of wave it around to get rid of the flies? Or are you determined? You see that fly, it's on your favorite dessert, and you take that fly swatter and boom. Yeah, this is where the fly swatter is actually the same as starting your coaching business. And you're thinking, what? What does the fly swatter have to do with that? Well, your intention in how you use that fly swatter is going to determine the results, right? The end result that you're going to receive from your action, right? Actually taking that fly swatter and whoosh. Well, it's the same with your coaching business. Your intention in starting your coaching business, the end result that you want to achieve, that is the difference maker. And in the last lecture, we talked about that, your goal. But sometimes people will have that goal and it's like, well, just like the fly swatter, I'll just wave it around and sort of, try and make an impact and just move this around. Or when you're starting your life coaching business, you've got that goal and you are so focused and so determined. You've got it, boom. And your intention, right, will change the way that you approach anything. So as we continue on in this section, we're actually going to dive into the SWOT analysis, right? SWOT. Now it's spelled different than the fly swatter, but the SWOT analysis, because the whole purpose of the SWOT analysis is to get you focused. But we're going to do it a little differently. I'm going to share with you the SWOT analysis, but in a way that connects, right? Connects with you. And because I have coached so many people and consulted so many people, I understand the blocks and obstacles that stop a lot of life coaches from being successful. So as we continue on, I'm going to share with you exactly what that is so that you avoid those mistakes. Right? My whole intention in creating this course was your ultimate success. And that really kept me focused. And every step that I took and every time that I created something or developed something, and when I am training you, that's my focus, right? It's not just to, I'm gonna, make this course and no, my focus is your success. So be very, very clear on that. If you didn't have a chance to do that, go back and watch that first lecture again before continuing on. All right, let us look at the S in the SWOT analysis next.